Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach lesson number 1 EVS part 1 of class 4th. The lesson name is The Life Cycle of Animals. See this. Can you tell? Some pictures are there and down there questions are there. I am reading this. Look at the puppies and their mother in the picture. Do you see some similarities? See this puppies and mother. Similarity means same to same. So this is a puppy, cute puppies and mother. They seem same, they are looking same. Yes, we can come to know that they are doggies babies. Okay, and the color is also same to same. Next one. Look at the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Do you see any similarities? Now come to the second picture. See, this is butterfly, beautiful butterfly. You have seen in the gardens. Okay, they are flying and they are sucking the nectar juice of the flower. It is their food, and this is this is a baby butterfly. It is called caterpillar. Okay, this is caterpillar. Do they look same? Similarities they are asking? No. See, this look like a worm and this is a beautiful butterfly. So totally different. One cannot recognize that it is going to become a big beautiful butterfly. So that is the difference. Now, can you tell? Okay, a hen lays egg. Chickens come out of those eggs. This is a hen. Okay, beautiful hen. This is small chickens are going back. They are walking behind their mother. These chickens came from the egg. Okay, this egg. The hen lay egg and they sat on the egg for hatching. After their warmness, it break and chickens small come out. Now, second question. Two kittens come out of the egg. Small kittens are there. See, they look like a similar like to their mother. Okay, they also come out from the egg? No, they do not come out of the egg. They directly come from the tummy, from the stomach of their mother, like dogs. Okay, they don't lay eggs. Now, the growth of animals. A kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. Okay, this is a goat and it is a baby goat. Kid, we want to say kid. They look same, no difference. Okay, their similarities. They both look like same. Their mummy and this is baby. No difference is there. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs. These animals do not lay eggs. They come out from their mother's tummy. But some animals like crows, spiders, lizards lay eggs. They lay eggs. Okay, some of the birds like chicken, like a butterfly, like that lizard, crow, sparrow, birds, all they lay eggs. Now next page. A chicken is born from an egg. Ants, butterfly, fish, frogs, snakes, all animals that lay eggs. But we do not often see their eggs. We do not often see their eggs. Where they are hiding. The eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. It is very tiny. We cannot see. We would hardly notice them. So we do not come to know that these animals lays eggs, but we know for sure that a hen lays eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. So some of the eggs are easily seen. Okay, this is hen egg, we eat also some. Okay, this is easily seen. From this their small chicken comes out. But some of the any reptiles and some of the small things, they lay eggs, they very small, we cannot see. Okay, so a new term, hatch. What do you mean by hatch? When a hen sit on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. After laying the egg, hen sit on that egg for hatching to give it warmness. When hen goes for search of the food, the cock, the father sits on them because they need hatching. Hatching means warmness. If the warmness is done, the egg suddenly breaks and small chickens come out. It is called hatching. She's hatching. A hen lays egg. Warmth is necessary for the chickens to grow inside the egg. So after laying them, the hen sits on the egg to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing inside. Means this warmness is necessary. The egg become hot and the chicken growth is necessary inside this for hatching. This hatching is very important for the growth of the chicken. Then suddenly the chicks come out breaking like this after the hatching is over. That means when it's grow into complete, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. When the growth is over, then the chick will come out. After the processing is over, suddenly it breaks and come out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. It is small. Okay, the father, mother, both, they take good care of their small chicks, and after that when it starts little flying, so they leave it. So like that the process goes on. Motherhood, fatherhood and childhood. The hen looks after his, that I told you. Do you know when a hen is hatching her eggs, dash, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the egg. When she is hatching the egg, she is a mother hen, so she is very protective towards her egg and children. So anyone who comes now, she started attacking. Like your mother and father, you have seen now, they also do like this to protect you. They are very careful about your, they're taking care. Same way these hen also, these birds and animal also, they are very protective to their children. They are very loving. They have nature that their child should not get hurt by anyone. Use your brain power. Now you use your brain. What are the similarity between the hen and her chicks? Similarity, you can see small. This is a hen. What is that hen? Small beak, little beak. Eyes like dotted. The dotted little wings. The little wings are not big wings, but you can see that. Legs are there. Okay, long leg, claws, little, and either claws are there. They're looking little similar. Okay, similarity. Now, metamorphosis. What is this process? This is you seen in a butterfly when it is totally different from their mother. When they come out from the egg, there are similarities between a goat and its kid. They look same, and between a hen and her chick, this is also same. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. They don't look like same. Thus, in some animals, the young one grow into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Means when they come out from the egg, they are totally different form in a form. So we cannot recognize they are actually whose baby it is, whose egg it is. But slowly when the process goes on, the growth become and they become the same like their parents. So this changes, looking different and coming to the original process, is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in a butterfly. It is also in the same in the butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. Okay, these 3 stages: first egg, then larva, then pupa, and then big butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is very common one. Tiger butterfly is very common one. We can see in our area. Okay, you can see in our area. See, the female male plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed rui leaf. This is called rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of the butterfly is called caterpillar. They live. They give eggs. See, this is a tiny one, like a pearl type. Then from there we can see this caterpillar comes out on that. Okay.